Last 2 cookies. There.
Oh, and those are just your shortbread.
Shortbread cookies. We've got half of a stick of butter going right in. Massage that butter right in there.
Oh, I can smell those Oreos.
Chocolatey goodness. They look good.
Ooh.
Yum.
Shortbread and Oreos.
Shortbread and Oreos. Give it a nice press. You can use your cup if you want to help smush it down.
Oh, that's genius.
Yeah, because you really want to have a nice crust. Now that our crust is set, we have our salted caramel ice cream. Yum. Okay, so slicing your ice cream like this will make it really easy to just pop out your layers. And you just take that whole piece just like this, right out.
Oh, so easy.
Right? Then you get your layers. Just layers right in there, and then you know they're all even.
Wow. That ice cream looks delicious.
Salted caramel, so good.
That's gonna go so well with the Oreos and the shortbread.
Yum. Perfect. Just give it a little bit of a press once you have your layers in there. Fill all those crevices. Perfect. We've got our ice cream layer right on top of our Oreos. We're gonna add our Cool Whip. We're gonna use the entire bucket of Cool Whip here. Just like that.
Ooh, so creamy.
Excellent. We're gonna add our vanilla. This is just a pudding mix. And it's just gonna add a little bit of that sweetness to it. You smell that vanilla?
Yes, it smells so good.
Oh, so good. That vanilla bean is like my favorite, one of my favorite flavors. It's gonna go so nicely with that caramel. Okay, now that we've got our Cool Whip mixture all ready, we're just gonna place it right on top.
Ooh.
Give it a nice dollop there.
That looks so good.
Okay, give it a nice spread there.
Looks so creamy.
So yummy, scrumptious. Okay, now that we've got our layers set, just like that, we're gonna let this all set together, and we're gonna take this off in just a moment. You're gonna see how this cake is gonna come together. So we're gonna let it cool in the freezer until it's ready.
Yum.
Okay, so it is fully solidified from the freezer. Place our pretzels, just snuggling them right on top. Last one. Perfect. Topping it with our Heath Bits, little toffee.
Flavors are gonna be so good with that salted caramel ice cream.
And you know what's gonna pull it all together is, of course, some extra dark chocolate syrup.
Yum.
Yum.
Oh, right on top.
Right on top. So it really brings out that salted caramel flavor, makes it feel almost like a brownie. Just like that. Are we ready to see the whole cake?
Yes.
Let's pop this off. Here it comes. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It came out so perfect.
It's so perfect, so pretty. Okay, here we go. Ooh.
Oh, cuts like butter.
It does. Ooh, that nice crunch of the crust. Beautiful. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited to see
I am too. And see these layers in here? Oh, yum! With the Oreo crust?
Looks delicious.
Delicious. Oh, yummy. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. With that Cool Whip, vanilla Cool Whip, and the ice cream. Oh my gosh. It smells so good.